fill and spill. This is the thrill, fill, and spill technique. One of my early mentors taught me, and one of the main mistakes people make when planting potted plants, they put their first plant in the middle. You can do that, but you don't have to. All right, so first thing I do, CPR, and grab it from the base. She comes right out. Rough up those roots so they can spread out. They've also been in the container for a long time. All right, so watch. I'm not even gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna put it like way in the back. Nice. Actually, I'm gonna lower this even more. That's another mistake that people make. They fill the soil to the top, like before they put their plants in, and then they have like no room in the pot. Like, no kidding, you know? That's better. Look how nice that looks. See, I put that in the back. It doesn't need to be in the middle. All right. Thrill. Fill. So thrill is the one that goes up, the plant that grows up, and then the fill is going to be the plant that goes out, and then the spill is going to be the plant that droops down. This is my fill. This plant is called, I'm not gonna pretend like I know what that is. I do not know what that is. Guys, you can be aggressive with your plants. Stuff them in there, okay? Don't be afraid. They will persist. Let's mix this up a little bit. I fill, and now comes the spill. The spill. She slides right in there. That's all we got room for. That should just about do it. I think I want one more still. My last spill plant. And voila, the thrill, fill, and spill. This is how we plant our potted plants. This is how we plant our planters. This is how I plant my planters. This is how I have been planting my planters for about 3 years now. I used to make the common mistake of putting my first plant in the middle. I had all sorts of different species of God knows what. All plants were growing in each and every way, blocking each other out with sunlight, just stuff you don't want, you know, didn't have proper drainage. Another thing that I didn't mention that's very important with your potted plants is that you want to have proper drainage. So what I do is I have rocks underneath the soil at the bottom of the pot, in addition to the hole at the bottom of the pot. So that gives me proper drainage. That's how I plant my potted plants.